In previous video, we created a login page. Today, we'll be adding database features to it. Let's return to project. To add database features to the login page, we need to exchange data between MyLogin view and MyLogin controller. Open MyLogin controller.cs by navigating the controller folder. In MyLogin controller.cs, create a function named verify to handle the login verification process. Now, here's how you connect to the database to check usernames and passwords. It's simple. Right-click on your project here as Web Application. Add a new item. Select class. And name it QueryClass. This will be your global query class accessible throughout your project. Copy and paste the code provided in the description. Here, you will find compiler error. Just right-click on your project, as here is Web Application. Click on Manage NuGet Packages. Click on Browse link. Install system.data.SQL. Now import system.data.SQL in the query class. Everything is now okay. Here simply, enter your database name, and set the password for the SA user. As the database name here is DCMS. We already created a table named users in our DCMS database. In the next video, we'll demonstrate how to create tables and set the SA password. Next, access this class in our MyController by initializing its object. Now, write the following code to retrieve data from the users table. DataTable is a built-in class in C# that holds retrieved data from the database in tabular form. Use DT or any preferred object name to hold the data. QRY is the instance of QueryClass, and SelectData is the function within QueryClass. Simply call the SelectData function to retrieve data from the database. The final step is to obtain data from the username and password text boxes and compare it within the query. Remember, passing data from the controller to the view is straightforward, but to pass data from the view to the controller, models are required. Navigate to the View folder and open the myloginview.cshtml page, which we created in the last video. Note the names of the text fields, username and password, within myLoginView. Enable these field names in the model to facilitate data exchange. First, create a new model named myLoginModel by right-clicking on the Model folder. Select Add, then Class, and name the class myLoginModel. Open the myLoginModel.cs file. Declare the fields from myLoginView.cshtml within the myLoginModel. Copy the namespace of myLoginModel and paste it after using in myLoginController. Now in the verify function, instantiate the obj of myLoginModel class as acc. Access the view's variables accordingly. Now, instruct ChatGPT to write the code, if the username and password match the database table. The code is under. Open the success page, otherwise, open the error page. Finally, write code in myLoginView.cshtml form. It mean, when user click the login button, the verify function within myLoginController be called. Now, test your application's output by running it. Here we go. Username in user table we given ABC and password as 123.